Hi, I'm Larry King. I'm the lead hairstylist today at the Ralph and Russo Spring Summer 2021 Ready to Wear show. I've been using the Dyson Corrale and the Supersonic with a diffuser attachment, really bring out as much texture as we possibly can. We've been using the Corrale to kind of twist the hair, but while we're twisting, clamping on the hair as well to get tight curls all around the hairline. Obviously we're backstage moving around because it's cordless, gives you that versatility. This time the show's been skimmed down quite a lot. We've got 10 girls. We've also got a small team with me today. What Tamara from Ralph and Russo is really aiming for was that kind of Cuban, Latin American, very summery feel to the clothes. So the look today was girls being in the sea or being in the pool. They've just got the ends in the water, kind of got out, and instantly you've been invited to the best beach bar. It's just you throw that dress on and you look cool. So good being back at the shows again and being able to be creative and get that feeling.